So very good morning, you people. Today once again talking about trigonometry. So under the trigonometry, first thing you learn about what is sine, what is cos, what is tan, what is secant, what is cosecant, and what is cot. So these three are called as trigonometric ratios. It is called as trigonometric ratios. So this is called as trigonometric ratios, guys. Generally, the trigonometric ratio which is implemented only for the right angle triangle. So keep in mind. So I want to implement these ratios. The triangle must be a right angle triangle. Then only we have to apply trigonometric ratios. So let us say ABC. So now I want sine theta. Theta we refer here. What is meant to be theta? The angle here, the angle, theta is the angle. How to measure the angle? The angle measured in two manners. One is degree and another is radius. So what is the relation between degree and radius? So 360 degrees is equal to 2 pi, guys. 2 pi radians. So I want 1 radian. So 1 radian is equal to, how can I write this one? Can I write like this 1 radian? 2 pi into 1 radian is equal to 360 degrees. So 1 radian is equal to 360 by 2 pi. So which means 360 by 2 into 7 by 20. Why? Because pi is equal to 22 by 7. It goes up, what will happen? It turned into, so 2 1 jar, 2 180 jar, 2 11 jar, 2 90 jar. So 360 by 11. So 360 by 11 means what here? 11 5 jar, 55. So 8 is there, 11 7 jar. So what will be there? 11 5 jar, 55, 8, 11 7 jar, 77, 30. So 2 7. So 1 radian is equal to 57 degrees 27 minutes. 57 degrees 27 minutes. 1 radian is equal to 57 degrees 27 minutes. So this is the way we have to calculate the relation between radians and degrees. Now we want to go for how to find out the formulas for these trigonometric ratios. So let's see the formulas for trigonometric ratios. So sin theta I want. So what is the formula for sin theta? So sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to so theta is there here. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. Next, sin theta means what, guys? Cosecant theta. So cosecant theta is equal to hypotenuse by opposite. Secant theta is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent. Tan theta, which is cot theta, is equal to adjacent by opposite. So this is the formulas we must learn, everybody. Everybody must learn these formulas. And second thing is that we learn table also. One table also we want to learn. So what the table is that? Sin, cos, tan, secant, cosecant, and cot. So we have a table. Everybody must learn this table also. Then only we get grip on this trigonometry. So sin 0, sin 30, sin 45, sin 60, sin 90. So sin 0 how much? 0. Sin 30 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, sin 91. Cos 0, 1, cos 30, root 3 by 2, cos 45, 1 by root 2, cos 60, 1 by 2, cos 90, 0. Same like this. Tan 0, 0 by 1, 0 only. Why? Because tan means sin by cos. 0 by 1, 0 only. Tan 30, 1 by root 3, 1, root 3. 1 by 0. 1 by 0 means infinity. Next, secant. Secant means cos reverse. 1, 2 by root 3, root 2, 2. 1 by 0 means infinity. Next, cosecant. Cosecant means 1 by 0. Sin. 1 by sin. 1 by 0, 0. 2, root 2, 2 by root 3, 1 by 1. So 1 by 1 means got what? 1 only. So next one, cot. Cot means cos by sin. 1 by 0, infinity. 1 by 0 means infinity. Root 3, 1. 1 by root 3, 0. So this table also everybody must be learned. So while dealing with the trigonometry, we want to learn these formulas, we want to learn this table, then only you get more comfortable in our trigonometry. Otherwise, it is very difficult to go with the trigonometry. I hope people are understood. So next one is that, suppose I want to find out another thing is that we want to implement a Pythagoras theorem. So I want to implement a Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? What is the PT? Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem nothing but AB square plus AC square is equal to BC square. This is called side, this is called side, and this is called hypotenuse. 90 opposite side is called hypotenuse. Keep in mind, in a triangle, what is hypotenuse? 90 degrees opposite side, any side which is opposite to 90 degree is called, what is called it? Hypotenuse. So CAB square plus AC square is equal to BC square. This is called Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. So everybody will learn AB square plus AC square is equal to BC square. So let us say this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. How to find out? Let's say guys here 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 5 square. 3 square means 9, 4 square means 16, 5 square means 25. So 25 is equal to 25. This is called triplet. So this is called what here? Triplet. So triplet is equal to 3, 4, 5. So 3, 4, 5. Tell me another triplet, anybody? Tell me guys, anybody another triplet? So another triplet is that, let us assume 6, 8, 10. So another triplet. So the triplet we want to find out is very difficult once again. One easy formula is there. We two people learn for triplet. One easy formula. I will showcase you people. What is the one easy formula? Is m square minus 1, m square plus 1. This is one of the triplet formula. Triplet formula, keep in mind, very important formula, triplet formula. Everybody will be learn. So let us say m is equal to 2. Will be start from 2. 2 onwards. 2 to square 4. 2 square minus 1. 2 square plus 1. So what we get guys? 2 square means 4. 2 square minus 1 3. 2 square plus 1 means 5. So we get a not. So the highest side always a hypotenuse. Keep in mind, the highest side is always hypotenuse. So now let's see guys here. So PT, Pythagoras theorem is equal to AB square plus A square is equal to BC square. So I have to multiply with this BC square, come to this side. AB square plus AC square by BC square is equal to 1. So we have to divide this with BC square. AB square by BC square plus AC square by BC square. So what you get? 1 you get. When you will get, pass and make a note down in our notes guys. Pass the video and make the things. So make the things into your directions. I hope you understand. So let's see guys here what you get from this. AB square by BC square. Shall I write like this? AB by BC whole square plus AC by BC whole square is equal to 1. Just now we learned sin theta. What is the sin theta formula? Opposite side by descent, opposite AC by BC. So sin square theta, sin square or cos square. Let's see guys here. AB means theta opposite AC, adjacent cos square. So cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. This is the basic formula. Keep in mind, very important formula, basic formula. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. From this, cos theta is equal to root of 1 minus sin square theta. Sin theta is equal to root of 1 minus cos square theta. Keep in mind. So this is two important formulas. So from this we will learn another two formulas. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. How will get this formula? So we have to learn the derivations also for understanding about the concept. So let us take this one. So cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Understood guys, I hope. So I want secant square theta. So secant square theta I want. So that for that what you do? Simple. Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So how to get? Divide with cos square theta on both sides. Cos square theta on both sides. So what you get? Sin square theta by cos square theta. Tan square theta is equal to 1 by cos square theta secant square theta minus cos square theta by cos square theta get what guys 1. So secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. We'll get it or not? Yes, we'll get it. So this is the way we have to get second derivation equation. So this is the basic equation. So from this we got the derived equations. Let's see another very important formula we discussed here. So cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So simple now. What you have to do is that cos square theta come to same side 1 minus sin square theta. Now we have to go with sin square theta on both sides. So cos square theta by sin square theta. So 1 minus sin square theta by sin square theta. I have to divide with sin square theta both sides. So what will happen guys? This become what? Cos square theta. This become cosecant square theta minus 1. Agree? So now what will happen? The resultant of this. So cosecant square theta minus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is another very important formula. So this is one of the very important formula. Everybody must learn this 1, 2, 3. These 3 formulas we learn. Very useful formulas. Already we discussed triplets. So another problem with the students is that while dealing with the trigonometry, everybody is struggling. So in this case only, everybody is struggling when dealing with trigonometry. Everybody is struggling generally in this case. Let's see the case now. How the people are struggled a lot. So how the people are struggled a lot. So let us say take a triangle. So take a triangle. This is theta. This is 3, 4, 5. Now I want sin theta, cos theta, tan theta for this triangle. So generally see guys, theta is there, theta here. So what is this? Is 90 degrees. This is hypotenuse. Opposite. This is opposite side. This become adjacent side. Keep in mind. So that everybody you have to understood first. So everybody you understood, then only we will get. Then only we will get proper values of sin theta, cos theta. Sin theta opposite. What is the opposite? 4 by. What is the hypotenuse? 5. 3 by 5. 4 by 3. Yes, got it. In a simple manner. So let's see another example. So the people are struggling here only. Everybody struggled. The people are more struggling here only. Here only people are more struggling. Theta. What is theta opposite? This is now become theta opposite. Keep in mind. So this is 3. This is 4. This is 5. So this become opposite. Once this become opposite, this become what? Adjacent. This become what? Hypotenuse. So that is the problem with the people. So where theta is there, we have to see that opposite side. Then it is called as the opposite side. So some of the people have thought that so theta, even though we have to go like this, the sin theta is only 4 by 5. That is wrong only. Keep in mind. So once again we have to evaluate this well. Sin theta is equal to opposite. What is the opposite? 3 by 5. Cos theta is equal to 3 by 5. 4 by 5. Tan theta is equal to 3 by 4. Keep in mind guys. Very important. Keep in mind. So keep in mind. So one of the values is there here. So another very important. Suppose a triangle is there. So this is 37 degrees. So this become what? 53 degrees. So this become 3. This become 4. This become 5. Keep in mind this triangle. So many IIT problems, many intermediate problems, many 10th class problems, we handle these angles, very important. So this is what guys, 53 degrees, we have to learn everybody. So that is 37 degrees, that is 53 degrees. Now we write down sin 37 degrees, keep in mind guys, sin 37 degrees. So 3 by 5, cos 37 degrees, 4 by 5, keep in mind, all of you keep in mind, very important. So sin 37, cos 37. Next, cos 53. Cos 53 is equal to 4 by 5. Sin 53 is equal to 3 by 5. So keep in mind. So these values are very important while dealing with the problems. So everybody note down. These 4 values you have to note down. So sin 37 is equal to 3 by 5. Cos 37 is equal to 4 by 5. Cos 53 is equal to 4 by 5. Sin 53 is equal to 3 by 5. So I hope you people are clarify your doubts. Now we move on to the different formulas which you need for solving a problems in our physics. Let's see one by one. So let's see the first formula. So first formula is that sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. Cos 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. 2 cos square theta minus 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Three different formulas is there for cos theta, keep in mind. So next cos theta is equal to very important formula, root of 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. So how will get the derivation? If people want derivation, let's see, taking this one only, cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. From this what you get? You will get this one. You will get this. So fourth formula, tan 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta, keep in mind. Next fifth formula is that sin a plus b is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, keep in mind. Sixth formula, sin a minus b is equal to sin a cos b minus cos A sin B. Keep in mind, very important formula. Next one, seventh one is that cos A minus B, cos A plus B, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Next formula. So these formulas are very important while doing the problem. That we are discussing all. Exclusively as a physics student, you want to solve the problem. For that we are using all the things. So 8 tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B, keep in mind. Next, ninth form, tan A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B, keep in mind. Last formula, very important formula. This formula most of the times we are using in physics. Cos theta by 2, very important. Cos theta by 2 is equal to root of 1 plus cos theta by 2. This is very important, guys. How to get this formula? So some of the people are thinking in different manner. In easy manner I will tell you, guys. So let's say, guys, cos 2 theta. Shall I write in the place of cos 2 theta? Cos theta, how can I write? Cos 2 into theta by 2. No issue, I hope. You people no issue. So cos theta, can I write cos 2 into theta by 2. Let's how will look like, guys, here. This is the way it look like, I hope. Cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1 in place of 2 theta. How will look like? So cos 2 into theta by 2, cos into 2 into theta by 2 is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. So in the place of theta, what will be there, guys, here? In the place of theta, what will be there? Theta by 2 is there. In the place of theta, what will be there? Theta by 2. Now 2 cancel. Cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. I want cos theta by 2. So what will get? 1 plus cos theta by 2 root. So this is the way we have to get this formula. So keep in mind, very important, very important. So very important. Keep in mind, all of you. So next one is that how to divide the quadrants. And how to get the values of sine, cos, cosine, cot, tan, all these values when you are there in the different quadrants. So when you are there in the different quadrants, how to knowing about these angles. So let's see, guys, here how to know about these angles. So let's see, guys, here. So this is a plane. Plane can be divided into 4 parts. So this is the plane. Plane can divide into how many parts, guys? 4 parts I am dividing. So first part is called x plus. Second part x minus. So y plus, y minus. Keep in mind. So entire Cartesian system. This is a Cartesian system. This Cartesian system break it down into 4 quadrants. Let us say this is Q1. This is Q2. This is Q3. This is Q4. We have four quadrants, guys. Quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. Let's see, this is how much degrees? 0 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees, 360 degrees. So we have four quadrants. I put the values 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree and 360 degree. This is what, guys? I am there below 90. Below 90 I am there here. This is what, guys? I am there above 90, below 180. I am there below 180 and above 90. This is the one. I am there above 180, below 270. I am there here below above 270, below 360. This is what, guys? Below above 360. So this is very very important. Very important. Very important. Very important. So we learn one slogan. All silver teacups. All silver tea cups. All silver teacups. Everybody learn this one. Everybody learn this one. Cos means their inverse secant. Tan means their inverse cot. Sin their inverse cosecant. So keep in mind, guys, this one. So all silver teacups. All silver teacups. Keep in mind. All silver teacups. So for understanding, for learning easily, we have to use this formula. All silver teacups. What is the meaning of it? So two things we have to remember, few people. When dealing with these two things we have to remember. When we are there in y-axis, then we are there in y-axis. Otherwise, or we are there at 270 or 90 degrees. Then sine become cos becomes sine, vice versa. Then secant become cosecant becomes secant, tan become cot become tan. Keep in mind. So this is when we are there in y-axis or 270 or 90 degrees. Second, what you have to do? Where you are there. So which quadrant we have to locate? Where your theta position? Where my theta position? According to theta position, use the signs. Use sign according to quadrant. Quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. According to quadrant, use the signs. So let's see. This is one of the critical part. Many people are struggled a lot. In simple way I am telling, keep in mind. So let's see one example you people are understood. So let us say sin 90 plus theta. So sin 90 plus theta. How to handle sin 90 plus theta? So sin 90. So 90 plus theta means which quadrant? We'll go through it. Which quadrant? Second quadrant. Who is positive? Sin is positive and cosecant is positive. We put plus. That's it. That is the magic here. Sin 90 plus theta is there. What quadrant we have to check down first? Our duty is that we check down the quadrant. What is the quadrant here? So first quadrant. What is the first quadrant? Plus. And what I told? Second rule. What is the rule 2? What is the rule 1? So y-axis are 270. Sin become cos. It become what? Cos. Why? Because sin is there. It become what? Cos. Sin 90 plus theta. It become what? Cos theta. Let's see an example. Sin 120. How to handle? Sin 120, how to handle? So there are sin 120 degrees. So we don't know the table. How to know? So let's see how to handle this situation. Sin 90 plus 30. Shall I write like this, guys? Shall I write or not? Yes or not? Shall I write or not? So sin 90 plus theta, I will show to you people. Now we go with sin 90, sin 120. So let's see the first problem. Sin 120. Sin 120 I have to handle. Sin 120 how can I write, guys? Sin 90 plus 30. So sin 90 plus 30, which quadrant? Second quadrant. Who is positive? Sin is positive. So we put plus. Then what you have to check down? In the 90 plus 90, 270, which is there, y-axis are not checked down. Which is there in which axis? Y-axis. So sin become what? Cos 30. Cos 30 value is how much? Root 3 by 2. Keep in mind. So root 3 by 2. So I want to evaluate sin 60. So how much I want to calculate sin 60? So how we write down, guys? Sin 60, sin 360 plus 0, no issue I hope, no issue I hope. Sin 360 plus 0, how much? Sin 360 only. Sin 360 plus theta, which quadrant? Which quadrant? Which quadrant, guys? Fourth quadrant. So fourth quadrant, what we get? Sin 0. Sin 0 means what? 0 only. So in different manner I am going. Let's see, guys. I am going with different manner. Sin 360, how can I write down, guys? Sin 360 minus theta minus sin 60 minus 0. Sin 360 minus 0. Sin 360 minus 0, guys. Sin 360 minus 0. So what is this is? Sin 60 minus 0. So which quadrant? All silver teacups. Fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant, what we get? Minus. Sin 0 means what? Sin 0. So minus into 0. What we get? 0 only. Same like this. Let us say cos 360. Cos 360. So how to write down cos 360? Simple. Once again same model. Cos 360 plus 0. Cos 360 plus 0. All silver teacups. So fourth quadrant or first quadrant. First quadrant. So no, all are positive only. Cos 0. Cos 0 how much, guys? 1. Simple. Once again. Sin 270. So how can I write sin 270 plus 0? How to handle? Sin 270 plus 0 means which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. All silver teacups. So minus sin 0. Yes or not? All silver teacups. So 270 plus theta, which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. So minus 0. I hope people are understood. So no. What you have to do, guys, here? 270 is there now. What you have to do? You have to convert cos. First you have to put all silver teacups. Teacups means what? Minus. Fourth quadrant minus cos 0. Very good. So minus 1. So sin 270, what is the value? Minus 1. Keep in mind. Same like this. Cos 270. Cos 270, same logic applies. Cos 270 plus 0. Cos 270 plus 0 means which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant. All silver teacups. Cups means positive. Cos 0. Cos 0 means what? 1. Keep in mind. So I hope people are understood. So this is the way you have to tackle these problems. Thank you, guys.